All right, now when the springtime rolls around and you're ready to power up your water system, you want to relight your hot water heater. In order to do that, you're going to need some gas flowing to it, so you will turn this little red valve so that it is parallel now with the piping system. That's letting gas come over here to this little gas block valve, but it's not letting the gas in just yet. You have to put this onto the pilot mode, which is right here at the 6 o'clock position facing you, and you'll have to take the cover off so you can get your lighter in there. There's two little covers. There's another one here. You get that out of the way. And then you'll push this valve down and hold it down for about 10 seconds. That's allowing gas to come down to the pilot. And then you'll use your lighter to reach up in there. You have to get down low where you can see the pilot. Put it right here. Now can you see where it lit the pilot? Then hold this, continue to hold this button down for about 10 more seconds. That's allowing the flame of the pilot to heat the thermocouple, which tells the little gas valve that there is a flame on the pilot so it can continue to release gas to the pilot. Otherwise, gas would continue to flow without no flame, and that would be dangerous. So after about 10 seconds, you can let up. And if the pilot stays lit, then you're in good shape. The next step would be to turn this into the on position. So the arrow now faces over to the west. That's over this way. And that will allow the pilot or the hot water heater to go ahead and fire up and heat the water. But of course you have to have already turned on your water and let this fill up. But you want to make sure this valve is closed before you turn your water back on, otherwise it'll flood your basement. And this valve, this little knob here, sets the amount of heat. So if you want it very hot, you'd move it over to the left, but that, it's kind of more dangerous because that really puts the hot water heater under a lot of pressure. So we're just going to kind of leave it over to the right-hand setting. Okay, then now you want to go ahead and put your little covers back. And it's got a little notch here for these little gas pipe tubes. You'll set that inside here. And then there's some little hooks on here that will hook inside these. And that's kind of what holds on this little flame guard here. There you go. All right.